Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to discuss about why we go for Python programming language. First thing is my Python programming language. It's a open source high level programming language. Open source high level. What is open source means there is no need to pay any amount. It's like a free of cost. You can download this software and install and you can use it. It's a open source. The next one is like high level programming language means it's like easy to understand. The next one is like human readable language. High level means easy to understand and human readable language. Then this Python language introduced to the world means Python was created by Guido van Rossum. That guy name is like Guido van Rossum. In the year of 1989, he introduced Python language to the world. My current version of Python, what we are going to use like 3.6.x. This is our current version we are using. This is released, the latest version released on 2016. Now onwards, then onwards, just we are using this particular version only for our application development. The next one, by using Python, which type of applications we can develop means any type of applications we can develop, either standalone web applications by using some of the frameworks like Flask, Django. The next one is like distributed enterprise. Okay, any type of applications we can develop. Any type of applications we can develop. The next thing is Python supported which type of programming. This is which type of programming approach means it's a functional programming as well as object oriented also. It's a combination. Directly you can write the function, you can execute it. It's a functional programming as well as it's a object oriented also. Object oriented programming approach. What is functional programming and what is object oriented means you can create one function, write some functionality, directly you can call that function, get the functionality whatever it is. Not like Java or .NET. In Java, if you want to write a method, class is required or not. Java is like an object oriented. Here, my Python, both programming approaches follows. It's like functional programming as well as object oriented programming also. Okay, which one you want, just you can use it. The next one is like my Python is like a dynamically typed programming language. Dynamically typed programming language. What is this dynamically typed programming language means? If you want to allocate the memory for the values at the time of loading that particular variable, we not. Okay, at runtime we are going to allocate the memory. Here there is no type, nothing. We not consider the type. For example, if you take Java, just you can create one variable int a equals to 10. For this particular value in Java, they allocate like 4 bytes memory or not. But in Python, there is no type, nothing. For this particular variable, they allocate the memory dynamically at runtime. Okay, if it is like int, exactly 4 bytes data only we can hold with a variable. This much data if you have, this much value if you have, that is not suitable for this particular A or not. Then the time it gives me type mismatch, then we can go with long or something. But in Python, there is no type, nothing. You can create a variable without type. You can hold any type of value, no problem at all. For this value, they allocate the memory dynamically at runtime. So my Python is like dynamically typed programming language. These all are like the features of my Python. Then nowadays, where exactly my Python you are using Python these people are using means for creating standalone or web applications or distributed this type of applications. Most of the times they're not using Python that much, okay, frequently not used. But if you want to work with the data, if you want to work with data, for example, data analytics, okay, data science, machine learning, or deep learning, artificial intelligence, okay, these all, if you are going to work with data, okay, internally most of the people are using like a Python. Why? Because my Python has a rich library to work with the data. Okay, best example, if you have the data analytics work, okay, there has one of the library called as a pandas is the library, say Python library. Okay, same like this for each and every, okay, technology, can say machine learning program if you want to write, or deep learning, or AI related, or data science, whatever it is. Okay, my Python has a rich libraries. Okay, as well as, for example, graphical representation if you want, then the time matplot library is there, Seaborn library is there, like this. Okay, big, the rich libraries are there to work with the data. So by Python, most of the times the people are using to hand to work with the data. Okay, maybe it's a data analytics or data science or whatever it is. Okay, can we use to develop web applications? Yes, you can use it, no problem at all. No problem at all. Yes, you can use it. Okay, but frequently not used, I'm telling. Okay, you can use it, no problem at all. Okay, guys, this is about the Python. So next video onwards, we go into the topics. We'll discuss about the topics. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.